Happy Tuesday, Danbury. This is student meteorologist Jordan Chaplinski coming to you from the broadcast room in the Science Building on our Midtown campus. It is Election Day for 2022, and the weather will not stop you from getting out the vote, so I certainly hope you exercise your right to do so. First, we're going to start off with a look at our Midtown campus right now, and you can see here there is not a cloud in the sky right now. However, it is much cooler than it has been over the last few days. Temperature at this time, 53 degrees. The pressure is pretty much steady at 1033.9, and winds are out of the north at around 18 miles per hour, gusting to 25. And as I mentioned, it is much cooler than it was yesterday and over the weekend when we had temperatures in the middle to high 70s each of those 3 days. On the weather headlines, it is going to be seasonable for both today and tomorrow, but the difference for tomorrow is that there will be less in the way of wind, but some more clouds will build in by the afternoon. Sunny and warmer weather will be heading our way for Thursday, though, and then clouds will increase on Friday, and Friday will be warmer too, but there will be some rain moving in during the afternoon and the evening hours thanks to Tropical Storm Nicole, which is to the north and east of the Bahamas right now. It does have a fairly large tropical storm force wind field indicated by that orange color there. And as it moves toward the west, it is going to temporarily strengthen into a hurricane as it strikes Florida, parts of Georgia, the Carolinas as well, and the Bahamas before weakening to a tropical storm once again. And it looks like by the time we get towards 7 o'clock Saturday morning, that's when it's going to be close to, if not right over the state of Connecticut as a tropical storm with some heavy rain and maybe some strong winds out there as well. So that's certainly something we'll be keeping our eye on here for you over the next few days. As far as the here now is concerned, we do have an area of high pressure over Ontario, Canada right now. That's what's driving in those winds out of the north, which again are going to be rather breezy at times, but it's also keeping the skies nice and clear out there right now for most of New England as well as the mid-Atlantic. And then down toward the south right now, that's the cold front that moved through our area late yesterday. It didn't have a lot of moisture with it, but it did usher in that cooler air. Cooler in comparison, as I mentioned, to where we were yesterday and over the weekend. We'll come back to today, however, where we do have sunny skies out there. So bright and breezy, winds out of the north at 10 to 15, gusting to 25 at times. 55 is going to be the high. That's basically right where we should be for this time of year. And you'll notice that because we are in daylight standard time now, that sunset is much earlier at 4:41 p.m. Overnight tonight, we will see the winds calming down. They'll be out of the north at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. So mostly clear and seasonable out there with a low of 31 degrees. And as we take a look at the 5-day forecast, similar temperature for tomorrow as we have for today. But there will be some partly cloudy skies, especially during the afternoon. Rather seasonable again, though, with 55 degrees and less in the way of wind. Thursday, it's not only sunnier, but it's also warmer in comparison to the last few days. 65 degrees on Thursday. And then 68 for Friday, but we will see those clouds moving in and that rain moving in by the afternoon thanks to Tropical Storm Nicole. And then that lasts into Saturday morning. But the good news is that as we head towards Saturday afternoon, it does likely we'll see some clearing heading our way. Don't forget to check us out on all of our social media platforms, and don't forget to vote, and have a great rest of your day, everyone.